Hey cruise fans, and welcome back to Ray and Sue's travel channel. If this is the first time here, then welcome to the channel. This channel sets out to demystify what cruising is all about. So we'll share ship tours, port tours, and offer tips and tricks along the way in order for you to make the most of your cruise vacation. So we hope you find something that you like, and if you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and offer us any comments that you would like, and also ask any questions. We'd be more than happy to answer questions moving forward, or indeed questions or comments for any of the videos that we've already posted. We really enjoy bringing this sort of content to you, and it gives you an idea of the cruise vacations that we undertake in the Far East, the Middle East, the Mediterranean, transatlantic, and also the Caribbean and Mexico. So again, I hope we find something that you like, and we'll continue to share these sorts of videos with you moving forward on the channel. And we'd like to take the opportunity now to thank all of our subscribers. It's your subscription that has really changed this channel. We are growing, we are getting bigger, and we're enjoying sharing with you our cruise vacations and advice and tips and tricks for cruises around the world. So thank you very much in advance. And if you have friends or family who might like this content, then please consider sharing that information with them and encouraging them to subscribe as well. And so lastly, we'd like to take the opportunity to thank you for watching our channel intro, and we look forward to hearing from you in the next videos that we post up on the channel. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.